ever wondered what it would be like to see two creatures merge into one? Well, it's not something you see every day, except in the depths of the ocean. Today, we're diving into a truly extraordinary discovery: comb jellies that have been found fusing together after being injured. Scientists observed that when two injured comb jellies were placed close together, they could fuse into a single organism. This fusion process involved the merging of their nervous system, muscle contractions, and digestive tracts. It's a behavior that's never been seen before in any other animal. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Science Codons, where we dive into the latest and greatest in scientific discoveries. In today's episode, we have an astonishing discovery to share with you: a species of comb jelly that can fuse into a single entity after an injury. Before we get into the details of this new finding, let's take a quick moment to discuss comb jellies themselves. Comb jellies, also known as ctenophores, are fascinating gelatinous invertebrates found in all the world's oceans. They are not jellyfish, although they share some similarities in appearance. Comb jellies have rows of cilia, tiny hair-like structures that beat to propel them through the water. These cilia also give them a shimmering comb-like appearance, hence their name. Recently, scientists discovered that a species called Nemiopsis lady, or the warty comb jelly, has a superpower that will blow your mind. In a study published on October 7, 2024, in the journal Current Biology, researchers observed that when two injured comb jellies were placed in close proximity, they could merge into a single organism. This fusion process involved the integration of their nervous system, muscle contractions, and digestive tracts. The fused jellies were able to synchronize their movements and share food through their combined digestive systems. The discovery was made by accident when researchers noticed an unusually large comb jelly in their seawater tank. Upon closer inspection, they realized it was actually two intertwined individuals with no apparent separation between them. Also, they realized that this individual had two backends and two sensory structures known as apical organs. This led them to hypothesize that the large jelly was actually the result of two injured jellies fusing together. To test this hypothesis, they removed partial lobes from other individuals and placed them in pairs. Remarkably, 9 out of 10 pairs successfully fused, surviving for at least 3 weeks. Interestingly, the injured comb jellies merged rapidly, often fully combining within 24 hours of being placed together. Within just 2 hours of complete fusion, the pairs demonstrated that their nervous systems had synchronized by reacting to stimuli such as being poked by researchers across their entire shared body. This swift neural integration is likely due to the jelly's unique nerve cells, which connect in a way unlike any other animal's neurons. To test if their stomachs had also merged, researchers fed the fused jellies fluorescent shrimp. They observed that food ingested by one jelly's mouth moved across both stomachs, indicating that the stomachs had indeed merged. Eventually, the comb jelly expelled waste products from both anuses, although not at the same time. This discovery challenges our understanding of allorecognition, the process by which an organism distinguishes its own cells and tissues from those of another organism of the same species. It is a vital process that allows organisms to identify and differentiate between self and non-self. Actually, this is mediated by the immune system, which uses it to identify and attack non-self cells and tissues. In transplantation, allorecognition can lead to the rejection of the allogeneic transplants. The researchers suggest that comb jellies may lack a system for allorecognition, allowing them to fuse seamlessly. This unique adaptation could have significant implications for regenerative research, particularly in understanding how nervous systems and other tissues can merge and function as one. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the deep sea, discoveries like this reminds us of the incredible adaptability and resilience of marine life. The fusion of comb jellies opens up new avenues for research and highlights the importance of studying these amazing creatures. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the world of wonders in the deepest oceans. If you found this discovery as fascinating as we did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing science content. Also, don't forget to check our website, which is sciencecodons.com. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.